Jim Halsey, Havre de Grace, Maryland, driver of the Daddy Shark 68 Pro Nitrous Camaro.
My gospel screams of justice, my word stuck in the ground, to plant my seeds of right in the evil ground I found.
What makes me different? I don't know. Maybe the length of time I have running compared to a lot of the guys that I race against. I've been doing this pro nitrous stuff since 92, 93, so being number one is the most important thing to us. You know, be the first one to do 5 championships in a row would be pretty happy about that.
Do right, be a no man.
We test a lot, we try a lot of new stuff. We're trying new things with the engine program, ignition program, and stuff like that. The competition brings the best out in everybody. You know, there's some camaraderie between engine builders and drivers. You know, Jay and Tommy, we've been racing each other for the last 4 or 5 years. And like I said earlier, we've been racing for close to 30 years probably in Pro Mod, and we had never won a big series championship until, I guess, 2019. So winning 4 in a row is a major, major accomplishment for us. Definitely motivates me, that's for sure.
Fear no man. Fear no man. Fear no man. Do right and fear no man.